What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and I know I haven't made a video in quite some time. I've been very busy with work and everything, but today we were able to come home and we have two packages in the mail. Now, I have an idea on one, what might one be, I guess. The other one, I really don't know. So, I can't wait to open these and see what they are. Alright, guys, so we're going to start with the smaller box first. This box is smaller than this one, but this one is a lot lighter. So, we're going to slice this open real quick and take a look inside. Alright, guys, so we got the tape open. Now, I have an idea on what this truck might be. So, let's see what it is. Now, as you guys can tell from the back, it is a Mix 2 truck. And this is actually a truck I have already. I am currently getting this for a friend. And there it is. It is the normal Monster Mutt Rottweiler. Bring in some light here. I think this is the pure black one. No, it might be the gray one. It looks like the gray one. That's pretty cool. So I had a friend that needed this, and lucky enough was able to find one pretty cheap off eBay. So that's where this is from. And yeah, so this is probably like one of the only trucks I probably ordered off of eBay, and I only got this for like $2 with the bid, and shipping and handling was, I think, $3. So all said and done, $5, not bad at all. Alright, guys, moving on to this big box. Now, this, I absolutely have no idea what this could be. So this was a gift sent to me from a friend in New York. So this actually came pretty fairly fast. So I can't wait to see what this is. This is pretty light. So this box was actually heavier. The box that Rottweiler came in was heavier. So can't wait to open that and can't wait to see what's inside. Alright, so I'm really excited to see what this is here. So, got the tape open. Alright. Alright, sweet. Looks like a couple Hot Wheels trucks. Oh, man, alright, sweet. And that will be it in there. Alright, sweet. So we got Sriracha. I can't say that. Sriracha? Maybe? Hot sauce truck. That's what we're going to go with, the hot sauce truck right here. Cool, this is one we actually needed here for the collection. That's pretty sweet. This is actually the last truck I needed for this mix too. So I know I don't post that many of the Hot Wheels trucks, which I plan on doing in the future once we get some more time here and everything. But this was definitely the last truck I needed. All the trucks that are currently released, we actually do have them now. So this is pretty sick here. As you see, Sriracha. Am I saying that right? Probably not. So we got the truck type pickup, strength, red hot fenders, spicy smash up as the crush attack, and the fire up the taste buds, or fire up their taste buds. That's pretty cool. This truck looks mean. This looks pretty sick. I actually really like this truck. Great detail on this. And of course, now I have this truck already. The reason why I wanted to get another one from, wow, look at the paint on that one. That's pretty sick. Alright, so anyway, the reason why I wanted to get another one was because I wanted to save this one. I'm not going to open this one. I want to just save it, put it in the storage bin, and basically keep it and, you know, collect it, if you will. So, of course, it's Bigfoot, the original monster truck, the pickup, car-crushing shocks, original stop, motivation to always be groundbreaking. That's pretty sick. So this one, I did make a review video on the 124 scale truck. This is basically the same thing. So yeah, that's pretty sick. So not too bad here today on what we got in the mail. And these two were actually a gift from a good friend of mine up in New York. He was able to go, where did he go? I think he went to Target to get these. So not too bad today. We only paid, I think, $5 for this, which, whatever, it's a little pricey, but whatever. I got it for a friend. And then one truck I actually needed for the collection, and another truck for the collection in the storage bin that's basically gonna get wrapped and packed away until we get a room set up here to show it off. So that is today's boxes in the mail. So this really wasn't a mystery gift, but I guess these two basically were. But yeah, so yeah, sweet. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we got more racing, and I think we got 2 races left, so a champion will be crowned soon. So I'll see you guys in another video.